Experiencing sound problems with your Spectrum cable box? You're not alone. Issues like no sound, low volume, or excessively high volume are common, but often easily fixable. First, ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both the cable box and your TV. If using HDMI ARC, verify it's enabled in your TV's settings. Next, check the volume levels on both your TV and the Spectrum cable box using both the remote and the box's physical buttons if available. Also, try powering off the box for 30 seconds. This simple reset can resolve many software glitches. Finally, explore your TV's audio settings to ensure the correct output mode, PCM or Dolby Digital, is selected. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, dive deeper. Ensure your Spectrum cable box has the latest firmware by checking for updates in the settings menu. Outdated firmware can cause audio dropouts, especially with streaming apps like Netflix through Spectrum. If using a soundbar, ensure it is compatible with your TV and the cable box's audio output settings. HDMI handshake issues are frequent, so try a different HDMI cable or port. For persistent problems, access the box's built-in diagnostic tools via the menu button to run audio self-tests. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support for hardware replacement, particularly if the box is old. Looking ahead, Spectrum is piloting AI-enhanced boxes that predict and autocorrect volume levels, and trends suggest a shift towards cloud-based audio processing and integration with smart home ecosystems for seamless volume control. Keep an eye out for these future updates to minimize audio frustrations.